Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video I will show you Discord struck connecting screen on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reported to when open the Discord application state time connecting screen struck problem. Here in this video I will show you how to fix Discord struck connecting screen problem on iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now the first one solutions is the most important. Now the solutions is first of all open the control center on iPhone. In your iPhone Wi-Fi Bluetooth is on. Now please make sure both turn off and turn on the mobile data only. These settings done after, again come back in the iPhone home screens and find out the Discord app. Open the Discord applications. Now again open the control center from the iPhone home screen. In the control center now again turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you facing Discord connecting screen, then this way too you can easily fix your problems. Solutions number 2 is check your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app scroll down and tap on the Wi-Fi and mobile data. If your Wi-Fi and mobile data connectivity is very poor, now please make sure strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and iPad, and again try to open Discord application. Last one solutions is delete and reinstall the Discord applications on your iPhone and iPad. First of all find out the Discord applications from the iPhone home screens. Now press and hold and tap on the remove and delete and uninstall option. When you delete the Discord application successfully, after open the App Store. In App Store now search bar search Discord applications. Now again download install the Discord applications on your iPhone and iPad. These 3 solutions too you can easily fix Discord struck connecting screen on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.